guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Shoshana and you're watching Shoshanc'e the Channel. This is my cat Isabel, she's just chilling over there. If you're into videos talking about hair care, beauty, or travel, I'm your girl for that. So why don't you do me a favor and subscribe down below so you can see my videos, and also click the bell so you can also get notified every time I post. For this video, it is going to be my day 2 of my routine. I basically show you guys what I do in the shower, and I want to talk about some products first before we hop into that video. So without further ado, let me just explain a couple of products that were not mentioned in the video, but you can still use this in your hair care routine. The reason why I wanted to add this was just because it's just a couple of products. It's not a lot or anything. It won't completely change the routine at all. So what was not used in the routine video was this. It's the Millie Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. This one, I didn't use this specifically because first, it's like I used it all, so I can't use it. And also, it's very lightweight and it smells so good, but at the same time, like, the scent doesn't last very long. It's kind of disappointing, but oh well. I usually tend to get my products without any sulfates or parabens, and that's how I get my hair to look like this. So I just did the routine, and this is my hair after. So also, if you like using conditioner in your routine, you can opt for the 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter repair. It's by Mark Anthony, and it's really affordable. Like, I love this stuff. I actually have to get some more of this. Basically, you'll understand once I get into the next step in the video on why I didn't use this, because this video is a hair care routine without conditioner. That's right, you heard it, without conditioner. And I will show you exactly what I use instead of this conditioner, even though I love it. Okay, let me just describe it. It's thick. I love thick conditioners. It's thick, very nourishing, and it just smells really good. Alright guys, if you want to continue watching this video, go ahead and let's get into this video. In today's video, I'm demonstrating how I condition my hair without using traditional conditioner. Keep on watching this video and you will find out what I use towards the end of the video. The first thing I'm going to do is use this wide clip to clip up my hair. Also, I'm using the CeraVe facial cleanser. It's really soft on the skin and it just feels really nice. It's not stripping at all to the skin. At the same time, it just feels really relaxing. So next, we're going to be detangling the hair with my Suave Kids detangler. The scent is sour apple. So we're going to first spray inside of the hair. I always love using this detangler. I've used it forever and it really helps, and it's super cheap. I'm just spritzing underneath my hair first, and then I'm spritzing outside of my hair because I want to get everything. And then I'm going in with a wide tooth comb. I'm first combing the ends of my hair, then working my way up, because that definitely helps prevent huge knots in your hair. It makes it way easier to comb through your hair. You're gonna get all the little tangles out. It's the best. We're also going to comb the back. The back is sometimes the hardest, in my opinion. And I just kind of take my time with doing this because it's really important. As you can see, there's not a lot of hair just because I comb my hair every single day. Now we're using the coconut oil. I'm just using this to massage my hair to promote hair growth. It feels really nice. I do this at night just as a relaxation habit, and it feels so amazing. I'm massaging my hair at night. It just seems right to do it at night. It really helps. I'm just massaging it and going really deep within my scalp, trying to get every little place that I want. I'm getting in there on top of my head. And we're also gonna go inside the hair too. The inside is my favorite. I love massaging all around my hair. It just feels so nice. I try to do it 5 minutes in the shower. If you don't have a wide tooth comb, opt into using your fingers. Now I'm gonna use my essential oils, the African Pride. It smells so nice. It smells like a spicy rose. My mom loves it when I wear this stuff. I'm also using the praying hand motion, just kind of handling my hair. Basically, I'm handling my hair very gently. I'm not trying to pull my hair. And this is basically the base before I put in any kind of conditioner. It kind of locks it in. It activates the conditioner. You always need an activator before you put in any leave-in conditioner or deep conditioner. And also I'm squeezing out the water of my hair, as well as getting more knots out of my hair. Obviously, I have so much hair. Okay, I'm done. Oh yeah, the last part. Last part is gonna be my holy grail out of this whole video. It is the African Pride leave-in cream. So it's not technically a conditioner, it's a cream. And the cream is super thick and it smells so good. I love this stuff. Look how thick it is. It's super thick. I'm just going to do that praying hand motion like I told you. Alright, so this is the kicker, guys. This is the African Pride leave-in cream and it smells so good. I love this stuff. So that's what I use instead of regular conditioner or even deep conditioner. I definitely try to get as much out of my purchase as possible with these products, just because my hair needs a lot of conditioning, and that's what I really want. I honestly just like soft curls. I don't really care how much the definition is. I just really like having soft curls, because if your curls are soft, then that promotes hair growth. Now I am going to wrap it up again. I'm going to twist it. I'm twisting out all the excess cream out of there. I'm trying to get all the water out. And I'm tying it back up. And now my hair care routine is done because I basically did everything in the shower. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair care routine video. I absolutely love it. My hair smells so good right now. I just love it. I just got out of the shower and this is how it turned out. Anyways, stay tuned for part 3 of this little series that I'm doing. I'm basically going to be talking about how to section your hair and just style your hair. The 2 videos I just posted, like the last one and this one, it's mostly what I do to my hair aside from the conditioner part. I mean, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You can use conditioner and also leave-in conditioner for your routine. If you want to shampoo your hair, don't shampoo it a lot. But if you do like shampooing your hair, I would get just a cleansing shampoo or a co-wash, you know, something that's not super stripping of the hair. That's what I really recommend for you guys. And also, if you haven't noticed, I changed my room. There's gonna be like a tapestry over here. I got a pink Hunsa tapestry that I'm waiting for in the mail. So for right now, you can just look at this picture. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe out there. Okay guys, bye.